Hi there, I'm Casper, Product Manager from IEI EMB Computing Department. Since last time I've introduced the calculator platform, yes, it's me again. And we are going to see what's new this year. And there are exciting news I would like to talk about in this video. As our topic, the latest Intel product called WhiskeyLake-U is finally coming, and there are some improvements compared to the previous generation. I will show you detail in the following page. So let's begin with our outline. In this video, I will start from Intel WhiskeyLake-U overview and talk about the product specification and comparison with previous generation, and also have a look at the software support list. Then I will talk about the latest embedded board solution from IEI called NANO-ULT5. We will go through the product specification and application. Then the final part will be NANO-ULT5 unboxing. Next page is the platform overview. To talk about WhiskeyLake-U, the new generation has improved up to 40% compared to the KB-Lake-U, and offering total 16 flex-speed high-speed I/O lanes and up to 4-core with low TDP solution for all the customers. And also support Intel Optane technology, which is optimizing the reading speed around 10 times faster than hard disk drive. It's a great option for embedded user connection. The new generation has enhanced the data sharing and downloading performance with the new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, and USB support twice the speed with USB 3.1 Gen 2 compared to the USB 3.1 Gen 1, and also support Thunderbolt 3 with USB Type-C for better transfer interface. About the security, Intel has enhanced the BIOS protection with Intel runtime BIOS resilience, and plus it has remote manageability for Intel vPlug client. I will show you how to design a product with those features. As this topic, I will talk about the comparison between three generations. Since 2015, there are many improvements from Skylake-U to WhiskeyLake-U, and new generation is equipped with the latest 300 series PCIe, which is upgrade from 22 nm to 40 nm. So it provides more flexible high-speed I/O lanes over the previous U series product. And also the new CPU with more cores, such as i5 having 4 core running just 2. And because of those additional core and extra speed for new chip, they can deal with more program at the same time. And that is why the base frequency for single core is dropped from 2.5 to 1.9 GHz to the i5 SKU. And the cache is increased from 3 up to 6 megabit to the i5 SKU. It makes more room for CPU to store and copy for those data frequently used from main memory, which can reduce the time of data access. And I will say the biggest difference from the previous generation, that is WhiskeyLake-U is supporting the turbo mode for the i3 SKU, which can be boosted to 3.9 for single core. That's even higher than Skylake-U, the i5 SKU. Aside from the product spec, WhiskeyLake-U also with a powerful software support capability. They support Windows 10 IoT, and it also supports Ubuntu and SUSE, Auto Project, Wind River, and Android 64-bit, making a competitive product to meet various customer demand. And now I would like to move on to the next page to talk about the latest embedded board solution from IEI. This is NANO-ULT5. It's an APEX size equipped with 8th generation WhiskeyLake-U series chipset. And this is the first WhiskeyLake-U product from IEI. And design concept of NANO-ULT5 is multiple expansion for diverse application. The key feature is M.2 key and mini PCIe for wireless connectivity, and we provide M.2 N key and 2 SATA port for storage demand. And ULT5 also with 4 USB 3.1 Gen 2. And do you know how fast the 3.1 Gen 2 is? The 3.1 Gen 2 is more than 13 times faster than USB 2.0. It's 2 times faster than USB 3.1 Gen 1. So you could save time when you need to download the file urgently and spend time to do something more important rather than wait for it. For differentiate between Gen 1 and Gen 2, we pick a red USB connector for Gen 2 and use a blue color for Gen 1 on the other SBC model. There are more USB 2.0 with pink header on the behind as a backup. For some customer requests about display output, we provide three different interface video output, which is HDMI and LVDS and DP for different type of display demand. And there are more I/O such as RS-232 and RS-422 and RS-485 can be used on the connect with processing machine or other demand. And last but not least, there are SPI interface TPN connector, which is currently very popular demand from our customer. For application, some of our customers they are using NANO-ULT series with LVDS as a panel PC, or use a triple independent displays in the hospital as a monitoring system. And there are part of our customer is using display output in RS-232 to connect their processing machine in the factory. And currently we have a new request from our customer is using our product on the self-service ordering machine. They use USB and HDMI to connect with their touch panel and use the NANO-ULT5 key for transfer customer order to the kitchen. So customer can easy to make an order without waiting. Like I just mentioned on previous page, the design concept of NANO-ULT5 is a multiple expansion for diverse application to make it easy and better solution for our customer. Now it's time to unboxing. When you order our NANO-ULT5, you'll receive a gift box like this. So let's see what's the inside. The first one is QIG, which is Quick Installation Guide. And the cable is a 4-pin power cable. And there's a two combo cable. The first one is RS-485 cable, just like this. And the other one is RS-232 combo cable. And there's a audio cable with 3 pin, which is a speaker and audio in and audio out. And there's one more, it's a SATA cable with 5V power here. So here is NANO-ULT5. So let's take a look. From I/O. Okay, so this is our unboxing. If you like our video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe our channel. And if there are any further questions about product spec, and you can connect us with the official website by scanning QR code on the right side, or send me a message with our Facebook page. Thank you. Bye bye.